Hey folks, welcome to Peepaw Shop. Got a product here I want to show you, which I assume that's why you're looking at this particular video. You want to see this product. It's black and yellow for a reason. It handles standard Dewalt batteries or the off-brand Dewalt batteries. Snap in just like that. This is a hand-free light. And what's it got back here? Oh, it clips around like that. It's got, well, I turned it on, but that thing there come off. So you can hang that thing up or carry whatever you need to do with that. But it fits tight back there, so that's always nice. So what we got here? Okay, we got from right there, what's that, about 180-degree rotation. And man, that thing's too bright for me to look at. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, we got some red flashing light. Okay, so we got super bright. Super brighter maybe, and we got flashing red. Well, ain't that just nifty? Look, you can lay that thing down like that. You can pop this thing off the back, prop it up, hang it up, lock it down, point it halfway, various degrees. Man, that's going to come in so handy to be able to just, you know, aim that thing over the top of a car. Where you're trying to hold one hand and work with the other hand, you can't get down there, you just get that thing at the right angle, put it like that. That is going to be super, super nice. I appreciate the brand sending me this, asked me to do a review on it. And my first review is, man, that thing's bright. Y'all might not be able to tell that, but that is all right. Look at that. I don't think it's going to sit like that, but you can do about anything else you want. Hey, listen, if you need a handy hands-free flashlight or a light source, y'all give this one right here a look. This thing's going to work out great for me. And it works out great for me. I believe it'll work out great for y'all. In the meantime, well, y'all have a blessed day.